Hey guys, we're having an awesome day today here at Firkins Automotive in Bradenton, Florida. And today I have the 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 Yellow Jacket. This Challenger features a stinger yellow body color and a black grille, surround to match the standard black body side stripes that highlight the newly developed Yellow Jacket logo on the rear fender. New 20 by 9 inch 5-spoke cast aluminum wheels with black painted pockets provide a unique performance look. Inside, the standard leather seats feature an exclusive stinger yellow accent brand with embroidered Yellow Jacket logo and silver accent stitching. The driver's seat also features a full adjustable lumbar position with seat back tilt, memory, and easy to reach release handle, while the front passenger seat adds tilt and slide with memory, which makes it even easier for passengers to get in and out of the back seat. The Challenger SRT8 392 Yellow Jacket adds another piece of performance to car nostalgia to our rear drive muscle coupe lineup. The Stinger yellow paint and interior accents speak directly to performance enthusiasts who appreciate a memorable and collectible color that helps deliver even more excitement and exclusivity. The original Dodge Yellow Jacket show car, which evolved from the 1970 Challenger, was shown at various auto show exhibits beginning in late 1969. Painted pearlescent honey gold, the Roadster was powered by a 426 cubic inch Hemi V8 and carried a number of famous Dodge Scat Pack performance features, such as a unique front spoiler, wider tires, heavy-duty suspension and brakes, and manual transmission, along with a Rally instrument cluster and shaker hood. A limited number of 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 Yellow Jacket models have been built in the U.S. market. All Dodge Challenger models are built at the Brampton Assembly Plant in Brampton, Ontario, Canada. For 2012, this Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 adds even more high-tech performance features to solidify its place as the brand's ultimate modern American rear-wheel drive muscle coupe. With 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque from the proven 392 cubic inch Hemi V8, the balanced performance approach of the Challenger SRT8 provides outstanding straight-line acceleration, world-class ride and handling, high-performance braking, and the most up-to-date technologies that deliver more driver excitement and control. In this car, you'll have a 5-speed automatic transmission, features a new standard steering wheel mounted paddle shifters that join the center console mounted auto stick, allowing for a choice of spirited shifting on both the road and racetrack. Both methods give the driver the ability to manually select specific gears on the transmission. Standard fuel saver technology, 4-cylinder mode. In automatic transmission-equipped models, allows the engine to operate economically on 4 cylinders or use the power of all 8 cylinders when needed. The EPA fuel economy miles per gallon ratings for the 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 are 14 city, 23 highway, with a combined 20 miles per gallon. The adaptive dampening suspension system for this 2012 are tuned specifically for the Dodge Challenger SRT8 392. The ADS system on the Challenger SRT8 392 features the fastest turn-in and most nimble characteristics of any SRT product. In the sports setting, the system provides the highest damping ratings, allowing the driver to push the handling envelope like never before. In auto mode, a wide range of on-road and driver inputs such as vehicle speed, steering angle, steering speed, brake torque, throttle position, and lateral vertical acceleration automatically tune the suspension for specific conditions. Drivers can easily choose between settings to quickly change the shock dampening and harshness characteristics from auto for everyday commuting to sport for more spirited driving situations. The standard SRT Performance brake package produces world-class stopping power from 60 to 0 miles per hour in just 117 feet, from 14.2-inch front and 13.8-inch rear vented slotted rotors with 4-piston Brembo fixed calipers painted red. The 3-mode electronic stability control system with knockback mitigation also includes 4-wheel ABS, all-speed traction control, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, and hill start assist. This 2012 Dodge Challenger SRT8 392 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in the high 4-second range, runs the quarter mile in the mid 12-second range with the automatic transmission, goes from 0 to 100 to 0 in the low 15 seconds, reaches a top speed of 175 miles per hour with this automatic transmission. The large front splitter and integrated front fender spats and body color rear deck lid spoiler provide stable, high-speed aerodynamic balance, while the front fascia chin spoiler also improves aerodynamic drag and is accented in the back for more aggressive look. Unique 392 Hemi badges flank both fenders, touting the historical significant V8 engine that remains true to its high-performance roots and powers the highest-rated Challenger in terms of horsepower and torque ratings. From the rear, the 4-inch rectangular exhaust tips deliver the 392's performance exhaust note while adding the stylish cue of a serious muscle car. The trapezoidal instrument panel features a 4-bomb gauge cluster with chrome accent rings and unique SRT graphics. Inside the cluster, the SRT exclusive Electronic Vehicle Information Center with performance pages gives the driver trip information, multimedia information from the Media Center radio, along with instant feedback on 0 to 60 mph acceleration, 60 to 0 mph braking, G-forces, 1/8 mile and quarter mile times. Come on down to 2700 First Street in Bradenton, Florida for a closer look. Thanks for taking a look at our webpage here at www.firkinscj.com.